Hi, welcome to IFN Sindhi. I'm Veena. Pumpkin is not one of the very favorite vegetables in most homes, but if it's made into a yummy dessert, everybody loves it. Today I'm going to show you a Sindhi dish called Pethey Jo Seero, made out of pumpkin, which is not only yummy and delicious, but it's also easy and simple to make. Let's see how we can make it. I've heated this pan here, and to this I'm going to add 3 to 4 spoons of pure ghee. Allow it to melt. Now I have taken in this bowl 250 grams of pumpkin, which has been peeled, grated, put in a sieve bowl and steamed for 5 to 10 minutes to make it soft. So the pumpkin is ready here, grated and steamed, and I'm now going to add this to the melted ghee. I'm mixing all this very well and sauteing it in the ghee for a couple of minutes. I'm next going to add 1 teaspoon of powdered elaichi or cardamoms. Again, saute it, turn it around so that the flavor seeps in. And now it's time for me to add sugar. So I'll add about a cup of sugar, and I'm going to keep sauteing this or mixing this well till the whole mixture turns a deep orange color. Our Pethe Jo Seero has got such a lovely golden orange color. It's absolutely ready. We can see the ghee coming out from the sides, which tells us that it's ready. I can already get a very nice aroma. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to IFN Sindhi, and do write back your feedback.